Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you again today. We are going to play the game we did yesterday called Rekenrek Flash. Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, get your running shoes on. So you should have your Rekenrek out from your math bag. Okay, make sure you keep your math bag nice and in a safe spot in your room, okay, where you can always get materials. And okay, so here we go. We saw this one yesterday. This one is an easy one. It is 2, right? So how we're going to do it is I'm going to hold it up there for a few seconds, and you try and figure out how many there are. Okay, and when I ask, you show me the number of fingers. So in that case, you would say there's 2. Okay, and then I show it to you to check, and then we make it with the Rekenrek. So yes, that's 2. Okay, and we start over. And here we go. You ready? Okay, get your eyes peeled. So I'm going to only hold this up for just a few seconds. What's on the other side? What could it be? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. What is that number? Okay, so show me number of fingers. Were there 1 counter, 2 red counters, 3, 4, 5? More? I counted 4. Let's see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 counters, so it should look like this. So make this on your Rekenrek, and it should look like that. I like to cover up this side so I don't get confused, because those ones don't count. Only the ones that we slide over are the ones that count. So we have 4. Okay? All right, let's try another one. All right, mark it set. Are you ready? On the other side, here we go. 1, 2, 3, looking, go. Oh, I only showed that for like a second. That was super quick. So what do you think? Did you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? More? Well, I saw 3. Let's see if Mr. McAndrew is correct. I see 1, 2, 3. Yes, there's 3. So take your Rekenrek and make 3. It should look like that. 1, 2, 3. Cover up that, not to get confused. Okay, let's keep moving right along. So I just slide them. Let's tilt it like that. And see, I just slide them down to the right. And we get a new card. All right, here we go. Here's a new one. I'll do this one actually. I'm going to change it. Okay, what is on this side? Drum roll, please. And go. How many do you see? All right, that was quick. That was quick. What do you want to show me? How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More? Well, I saw more. I think I saw 7. Did I see 7? I don't know. Let's check. Let's check. I see 5 reds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I see 1 white. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, Mr. McAndrew was wrong. That's okay. Am I doing my best? Yeah. Am I going to learn? Yep, because now I remember 5 and 1 more makes 6. Brain grew. Awesome, awesome. All right, so we have 6 right there. Okay? Make sure you make that with your Rekenrek. And if I'm going too fast, pause it, and then you can keep going when you're ready, okay? All right, so let's clear that. Let's do a couple more, okay? How about this one? Ready? Go. Oh, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do we got? What do we got? Show me fingers. Did you see 1? I hope not. 2? I hope not. 3, 4, 5. More than 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? 50? How many? How many do we see? Let's check. Let's see. Raise your hand if you got 8. Raise your hand if you didn't get 8, but you're about to learn something. Good for you. Okay, so I saw 5 red up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's 3 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should look like, oops, you get over here. So it should look like that. Right? So that's 8. The fast way of doing that is you see the reds, you know that's 5. And then you've got 3 more. 6, 7, 8. Okay, there we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okay, so let's do what we did yesterday. Remember we were finding as many partners for 5 partners and 6 partners, numbers that when you put them together make 5 and make 6, and we found a lot of them yesterday, right? So let's move me out of the way, and let's get our Rekenrek in a better place. Our Rekenrek here. Okay, actually I'm going to put it like that. Okay, so today's number is not 5, it is not 6, it is not 9. It is, what number do you think it is? 7. It's 7, okay? So, it is 7. Let's put, I'm going to write now, you don't have to do the writing of the equations today. I'm going to do that, but I do want your Rekenrek out, and I want you to follow along, okay? So, something plus something equals 7. Something plus something else equals 7. Something plus something else equals 7. So yesterday, remember I put 7 equals. Now I'm putting something plus something equals 7. It's all the same. All the same. Something plus something equals 7. If we need more, we'll do it over here. Okay? So here's what I want you to do, boys and girls. I want you to pause the video. Those 2 little lines that look like this, I want you to pause it. And I want you to find as many ways to make 7 as you possibly can. I'll show you one way that you might do it. One way you might do it is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 4 up top and 3 on the bottom. So that would be 4 plus 3 equals 7. I'll give you a hint. There's a lot more of them. Find at least like 6 or 7 or 8 of them, okay? All right, do a good job. When you're done, come on back, okay? All right, see you soon. Okay, here we are. Welcome back. So we already did 1. We knew it was, we said, what did we say? 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, what else can we find that equals 7? What did you find? Did anybody raise your hand if you did this? Watch me. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 4, 5, 6, 7. Anybody do that? 3 on top, 4 on the bottom? Raise your hand if you did. So I'm going to put that here. I'm going to say 3 on top. Oops, I didn't write that very well. 3 on top, 4 on the bottom. Okay? All right, watch this one. Did anybody do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Raise your hand if you did that. Yeah, awesome. If you didn't do it, it's okay, but there you go, right? So how many on top? 6. How many on the bottom? 1. Did anybody do it reverse like this? Did anybody have 1 up top and then do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Did anybody have 1 on top and how many on the bottom? Let's see. What plus what equals 7? We have 1 on the top. How many on the bottom? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, boys and girls, do you notice? Look, 4 and 3 make 7. 3 and 4 make 7. 6 and 1 is the same as 7, and so is 1 and 6. You can switch those parts and still get 7. Okay? That's called a commutative property, but you don't need to know that word. Just between you and I. All right. Anybody do it this way? This way? Boop. Like that. Just show 7 up top. Or show, so that would be 7 up top. And how many on the bottom? Nothing, right? Nothing, nada. Zilch. Null set. Okay? How about anybody do this? Raise your hand. Yeah, 7 on the bottom. So now we have 0 up top, 7 on the bottom. So 7 plus 0 equals 7, and 0 plus 7 equals 7. Okay. Any other partners that you found? Did anybody find this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. OMG. What? Looks like we've got how many up top? say it or show me fingers. How many counters up top? Let me see your fingers. 5. Yes, 5. Good. And show me fingers for the bottom. 2. So let's look at our hands. 5 and 2 makes 7. Look, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. It's kind of fun, right? 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's try the other way. Did anybody do it the other way, like this? Because, boys and girls, we keep seeing this pattern, right? Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. So if 5 plus 2 equals 7, does 2 plus 5 equal 7? That is the question that everybody wants to know. Inquiring minds want to know. So let's see. 2 up top and 5 on the bottom, right? All right, let's check it out. Let's see. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it works. Amazing. So not only is 5 and 2 make 7, 5, 6, 7, but 5 and 2 make 7. Oh, wait, I shouldn't do it. Wait, hold on, let me try that again. 5 and 2 make 7. It's also true that 2 and 5 make 7. Look, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, awesome job, you guys. By the way, you can always do this on your fingers, right? Take one of these. Well, you can't do it with 6 and 1 because you don't have 6 fingers on one hand. But look at 4 and 3. 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Does that make 7? Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Mr. McGann getting punchy. Excellent job. We are finding more partners that equal 7. Right? There's a lot of them. Okay, do we miss any? 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, 4 and 3, 5 and 2, 2 and 5, 7 and 0. Okay, I think we're doing pretty well. All right, boys and girls, great job, and I'll see you in the next video. There's one more video for today. Okay? All right, bye-bye.